Wow, that aeroplane was super cool. Rohan, can you teach me how to make it? Sure, but what will I get in return? I have some pancakes in my lunchbox. We can share them. Seriously, they are my favorite. Let's do it. First, fold your paper in half like a hot dog bun. Long ways. Give it a good grease. Now unfold it and you'll see a nice line down the middle. This will be our guide. Next, fold the top corners down to meet that line, like little hats. Now, fold the top down to where the hats meet. Time for wings. Fold the plane in half again. Then fold the wings down evenly. And there you go, Captainship. Wow! Thank you, Rohan, for instructing me so well. Anytime, Shiv.